Hey, it's Mr. Allred, and I'm here to talk about the solution to formula practice problem 3, which is solve y equals mx plus b for m. So when we look at this, the first thing we want to do is look at our variable that we're focusing on, which is m, and we'll treat everything else like it is a constant or a number. So if we look at this and we look at m, there's no fractions, there's no parentheses. If we think about like terms, there's no like terms that can be combined, because on the left there's just y. On the right there's an m term, and then there's a non-m term, which is b. So where we're going to start off here is we're going to start with where we add or subtract across the equals to get that m term by itself. So the m is on the right, and it's the only m term, so we'll move the b term by subtracting b from both sides. As we do that, on the left we'll have y minus b. I know there are two different variables, but we're treating them as numbers, but as numbers we can't really combine them. And on the right we'll have mx, and the b minus b will cancel out. So we've just got y minus b equals mx. So the next thing we would jump to is the fact that here's our m. It's multiplied by x, and in this case x is a coefficient. So to get m all by itself, we'll divide by the coefficient. And that coefficient is x. So we'll do that on both sides. So on the right, I'll have y minus b over x, and that'll be equal to just m, because the x would cancel out on the right hand side. So now we have our solution, which is m equals y minus b over x.